Hi, Allison. My name's Christian. I'm with RinGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you to give you some free tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence. I found your Facebook page here, and then I clicked over so I see that you work for the Key Agency. A couple things I want to point out. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow and HomeLight, Trulia, Realtor.com. So you can have your own website and you can rank and you can bring in leads on your own. So it looks like you work for the Key Agency. So if I click on the Key Agency, you haven't done much, but obviously you understand the importance of being online because you do have a Facebook page for your business, and you're there. But I'm not sure to what extent the value that you can bring using this website. So I'm actually not sure this is a website. I don't see a website here. I did happen to find, however, the key.agency/Roseville. So this might be you. I'm not sure if this is like a free something that I'm not sure what really this is or how you got this, but a couple things that you need to do with your website is, first of all, you need to have content. Content isn't just the words on your website, though. It's also the photos and how the photos are saved and what's behind the photos and alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles, so on and so forth. And so the thing you want to remember is that you want to have 1,500 words minimum on any page you're trying to rank. So yeah, I think this might be like a Metro List Services thing where maybe this was free and they just did this for you or something. I'm not sure, but you want to have 1,500 words minimum. So if you ever do decide to get your own domain, thekeyagency.com or whatever you want it to be, you're going to want to have 1,500 words minimum on any page you're trying to rank. Also, you want to have all your photos saved properly. So a lot of times when we upload photos on the internet, they're saved as just random file names, random letters and numbers with some slashes in there. That's no good. So you want to just remember that search engines read how your photo is saved. So obviously it matters what you put in there because if you want to be found for something, you need to put it more into your website. It even goes down to the size your photo needs to be saved as, but not getting too much into that. 1,500 words minimum, and then you want all your photos saved properly. So next is citation. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp. All those are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher they're going to rank in this map pack. So as you can see, I typed in Roseville, California Realtors. Okay, we got Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Reliance Partners. We got Brandon Leon, Your Rockin' Realtor. He's just a realtor ranking. He's obviously doing super good. And then we got Keller Williams. But obviously the key agency is not here, so this is really where you want to be, obviously, but you're not here. And then I just wanted to show you too, so I'm not sure that you do have a Google My Business page, but we also have like Jesse Coffee's in the first page. We got Chuck Klein, Mike Anderton, Sean Grant, Ellen Grivna. So there's a lot of people in here and you're not one of them. And what you need to do, which I would highly suggest, is getting a Google My Business page, which is what I pulled up here. So I used Arrow Realty because they have a Google My Business page, just for example, just for this video. But they have one. This is what it looks like. They got their location, their hours, their phone. If you're worried about the address, you don't have to show that, so you can actually hide your address if your office is at your house or whatever. But we recommend 25 reviews. So as you can see, Arrow has only 8. So we recommend 25. Obviously, if you have more than 8, you're going to do better than them. But either way, also your photos. So we recommend 10 photos. They only have 2. So obviously these guys are going to be pretty easy to beat. But you're going to want to make sure you have 10 photos. And then again, you're just going to want to save those photos properly in the Google My Business page. And that'll definitely help you to rank up, and be seen and be found for Roseville, California Realtors, or anywhere you want to target, basically. And then the last thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. And so, like I said, your website's not a typical domain. It's just www.thekey.agency/Roseville. So I'm not sure, really what's going on with your website, but Once you finally get your own domain that's yours and you can do with what you want, you're going to want to get some backlinks. And what a backlink is anywhere that you can find that domain, anywhere on the internet. And so currently you have no backlinks from no referring domains. You have no domain rating, and you have one keyword you're ranking for. So, or not ranking for. So what that means is that only in one place can your website be found. If they go through pages and pages of content on the internet, they're not going to find your website. So no one's finding your website. So the only way they're going to it is if you tell them about it and they click on it from your Facebook, which it's not even on your Facebook. But either way, when you do get backlinks, you want to remember that not all backlinks are created equal. So you want to remember that you want your backlinks coming from sites that are relevant to the real estate industry and sites that are not spammy. Otherwise, they're going to hurt your domain rating. They're going to lower your score. They're going to lower your visibility. Other than that, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your website and bring you some more leads and in turn money. So if you have any questions or comments or feedback, please feel free to get in touch with us. And thank you very much for watching.